Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Well, blessed love. Welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica. Yes, guys, you know the journey continue. You know everything goes every day. So you know it's almost back to school. So the bags them that I told you I got for the 4 kids them, you know, because I have to make sure I go around and give them out as soon as possible because you know it's back to school coming this week, you know. So cool, my general. This week, so you know, say I told you about the two kids them that was helping us bagging out the bag them, and the day, you know, they never get no bag when time we was giving out bags. Alright, fire, they never get none. So I'm gonna hand these two as well too. I will also have Gracie, granddaughter in Spanish Town, and also what's her name, Cranberry, up by Mama River. You know, Cranberry, the one that's always said daddy, you was said is my daughter. You know, so also she made a back to school bag as well too. So I'm gonna try so we can do those trips. But you know, so, there's some rain up by that time where you can see it, you know. Thank you. That come for my thing. Yeah man, so but there's rain up that side. You can see the thick black clouds there, you know. So I got the 2 bags here, 1 boy and 1 girl, you know. So you know they never get no bag for them being on my kid. Oh yes, so they're a twin, you know. They're twin. 1 girl, 1 female, so luckily then they're twins. So you're gonna see them. They're my little friends, you know, so you know we have to look out for them every time. Here they are. Aye. Twin 1, twin 2. Come here, where you running to?
Tomorrow.
Come on, man. Walk one. Boom. Come. How was your run gone?
I saw you stay.
Come now. Listen, you already on the video when he was helping the books and bags, so come. Come. Because Nikki, come Nikki, man. So tell him your name.
My name is Nicholas Elliott.
Nicholas Elliott.
Come Nikki, go on.
Come Nikki. Nikki, stop be shy.
You don't know, child. You don't run and laugh like shy idiot. And I'm out so bad.
Come Nicholas. Come Nikki.
Nikki, come now. Let me take it care and give my granddaughter.
Alright,
you know.
give to somebody else.
Let me give somebody. Let me take it. Come, tell him your name.
Come Nikki. Come for your bag now, Nikki.
Go on for your bag.
Come here.
No, my bag.
This is your bag. Yeah, but why you own this? Why are you own this? You like the color?
Pink bag.
Oh, okay.
Alright, amen.
Alright, so that's your bag. Yes, so say thank you behind the wall.
Thank you behind the wall.
Alright.
Come, Nikki, your time.
Yeah,
Just say
come,
that.
Nikki, come.
Just say that. Go for your bag.
Here you go, Nikki.
Come, take your bag. Take your bag. Say thank you.
Say thank you.
So thank you, no? So
Thank you very much.
behind the wall.
Behind the wall.
Covenant Ministry.
Covenant Ministry. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Tell man now, looking at your bag, what you
there's
mean?
books in there, right?
Yes,
What's in there?
man.
Look what's in there.
Notice it out.
What's in there? You got stuff in there.
She run down with bag.
Mm.
We mad woman in a brother.
So you have book in there, you have pencil, you have rubber. Okay. Make it go.
Dada, you get
Dada,
pens
you
and
da.
them something. They go and put on your bag. Yeah, Dada?
Alright then guys, so we give thanks, We thank you so much Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry. So that's two of the child. Them imagine fire. They was there, them there help you, I bag out the stuff and them never get no bags.
Okay. Oh.
That's why them never get none at all.
Them get no, so them not feel different from everybody else. Them get.
And you know, once I get them a dip on my case.
Oh God, Keenan, me not get my bag.
Yeah.
Me help you, me not get my bag. Well, when they have help out, you know, and it's a good look. I would like walk one silk. And no parents couldn't find school bag for kids go to school and them get it. So you know, it's a nice thing we're doing.
Yeah, man.
Sorry, we couldn't help out with shoes and something about.
In the future,
yeah,
definitely in the future we can do that, guys. We know in the future we can do that. Oh, fire. Charge your head. So guys, so I'm gonna try and make it up by up them side. I've got me have rain.
Yeah, we are getting rain.
Up them side. So that's the direction I'm heading to. You can see the cloud up there is black. You know, I found Boomer, them say there's some rain up there. So, you know, and then I have Spanish Town to go to. So, bang, 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 bang. So, let's see, guys, let's see. So, juicy. What that? I'm foot. What come on front now?
You go in front. Me know what's afraid for driving in a front seat car.
It's a collection on the front appearance. Hey Jenna, what you say? On the front appearance.
She said, well, if a chat me here. Hey girl, when you come back, you say, lick off your face.
This badness. So guys, so, you know, we reach here in Church Town. Yeah, Church Town. Yeah, we Church Town. Here in Spanish Town. And the wow chef. You know, so we're here to drop off one of the bags them as well too. You know, so we're gonna see Miss Gracie here first before we see the Blind Brothers. Yes, yeah, first.
Oh my goodness. There.
Oh, go on.
There, wash out. Tell me to watch out. Focus on clothes there.
Yeah, wash.
Yes, me get the video. Me can't go send in a car. Me can't nobody to push me. The other than the other one to push. But me I give God thanks.
Hello.
Put them out, put them so the left foot swell.
I don't see you for a long time.
Don't it? How you doing? You okay?
Yeah.
The
Could
left
swell up more, man.
Yeah, man, swell more. Me can't hardly move around. If you not push me around. Right now, if you go now, every car taxi man $1,000 they charge me. Go to the hospital. But me there still give thanks to life, you know.
Swell to shine.
Yeah, I know that I hate dirty clothes. So me know if everybody watch today, but take a time looks really rain.
Yeah.
Me decide me no want internet because when it rain for dirty clothes, remember.
Yeah.
So me I try rub them out.
Mm-hmm.
Me there give thanks in a long time. Me no see it. Me the other.
Jella. You see them face on baby.
We don't give great too fair. It kind of rough for me, you know. I'm my father now, 100%.
No.
So, he might try still, you know, he might try to, but it kind of rough. Because at the, me have somebody find out the price and then say, our 10,500.
Oh.
But me I say somebody book them with them and give it. Sometimes they look, she get one dictionary. I don't know if nobody on a second-hand dictionary can.
Oh, for she get.
She need dictionary and all that.
You're going to grade 2 now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Repeat Genesis 1. Read Uncle Kina here. You listen the part where you know them. Genesis 1, verse 1. Read it, making. Say it to tell making here.
Go on.
You know I like.
Just tell what you know.
Tell me what you know.
You're too shy, man.
She getting shy now.
No, you're not to do that. Genesis 1. Say it making here now.
Yeah, say it for me.
Say it for you making here. I hear say long for see my and if I want that making here. Say Genesis 1 verse 1. Genesis 1 verse 1. Say it.
Look how long now you don't see me. So go on then, say it.
Say it for Uncle. Say it now.
She's shy.
No man, put the shyness aside and say it for Uncle Kina.
In the beginning.
Take your hand out of your mouth. Turn on and look at
Turn around and tell me one. Come on.
Look at the camera. In
the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Only that I know.
No, you two and two. That's not true. You know all life. No, in the big, you know it. You know the verse 1. You know all life. You know more than verse 1. Say it. Make in here.
Now for start over.
Yes, start over and say it in here.
In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth is all form and void, and darkness was in the face of the water. And God moved upon the face of the waters. And God said, "Let there be light," and there was light.
Yeah. Well done.
She know all it more, but she had the memory.
Yeah.
And she's shy.
She's shy to no. You're nice. See for that.
Exodus 20.
Yeah.
Just say it. She know it.
Yeah. I bring her back here for you. This is for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And I also got 20 USs here for you as well. Give me the US.
You're going with things, man.
Yes, you done well. You know, I got 20 US here for you from Ava. So you
Ava.
Yeah.
So thank you, Miss Ava.
Thank you, Miss Ava.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Okay, there you go. $20 US. And this bag is from Beyond the Wall. So Beyond the Wall.
Beyond the Wall.
Covenant Ministry.
Covenant.
So Covenant. Covenant Ministry. Yeah. So thank you. Go on.
Thank you.
For your bag.
Thank you for my bag.
Here you go. There you go. So you're back to school. Yes, Mr. Grace, your future is very bright. What to your next granddaughter? She's alright?
She want to school back, you know, back to school.
So next week them school will start?
Yeah, next week them school will start. She need a school bag and her school fee. She have her uniform, everything good with that. The grandmother is what about the school fee and the bag she needs. Okay. I want to pay her school shoes. She really need it.
Alright then, so we give thanks, so you can thank Beyond the Wall.
Beyond the Wall, thank you very much for the bag and thanks for the $20 you sent my granddaughter. That's
from Ava, the US is from Ava.
From Ava, God bless you guys. Thanks a lot. I'm here giving God thanks to the food and get worse, huh? But me have life, so me I give God thanks.
Yes.
You know, my intention was to go on the road and juggle, but sick I then get worse, I mean, nobody will push me. Sometimes I mean, 6 son push me, everything go away. And sometimes if I can't manage, we take a taxi at $1,000, go and $1,000 come back. And it's really hard, but me I give thanks because God provides me and God me don't do. That's the greatest thing that.
Yes.
You know? And the book list upon my head, upon my brain, but by the grace of God, I know say him won't get it. I don't think them are going to use it the first week, so by the second week, God will work it out somewhere. You will live by faith, you know. If you don't have enough faith, you don't say nothing. You cannot serve God and have faith.
Yes, sure. You have to have faith.
You have to have faith.
Definitely. Alright, then let's go on with the faith, you know. And hopefully something will pop up for you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You looking at your money? Looking at your money? That is from America.
American money.
I want to see the mango.
You want to see the mango?
The mango.
When you come back to Jamaica, you will see her, okay?
What you said, but you're going to make your call like on the phone, make you talk to her, that you want to talk to her.
When you come back next time, okay?
Next time when she come back.
Alright, then take care. I'm going to check
The in charge.
Charles then.
A long time I call him son and talk to a long time I know.
Go around here.
I can't know that because the foot
Through your
get
car
worse.
move.
I can't get to go look for him, but I call him.
When you lie down, you need to put the pillow.
Yeah,
Elevate your foot.
Me I say with the pillow, man. Me I say with the pillow. But you get worse because the heart I problem in the car. Mama, me feel one sudden pain. Tight up in my
Chest.
In my chest. And then now me pray and then me drink the cayenne pepper and the cayenne pepper. Help me out, I know so the blood not circulate. The foot get bad, all one sore come up on the foot. Foot get bad, man. But to God be the glory, me still have life and the greatest thing.
Yes.
And some the one place and can't move. And at least me can drive. Me wash me call Delia. Me had a granddaughter and she come.
Help you out.
But from morning, me not feel so well from morning because she can get up so early this morning.
Yeah.
I mean, I say me go watch tomorrow, but she can the rain now, me a rush to wash them out because me get dirty clothes now. Dirty clothes in the house when rain fall, it smell bad.
Alright, then because the rain is drip now, so let's make that quick runner so we can move, yeah?
God bless you. Yeah.
Take care. Alright then. Alright.
Bye.
Yes guys, so we're head to see the Blind Brothers. And then we'll head up because the rain is dripping. Drip. Boy, our legs swell up really bad now. Swell till it shine.
I remind me when I was pregnant.
She tough you up and down for it, you know.
No, but you can't have up and down again too tough.
Everything down, so I was sure.
That's what them say, yo, health is everything, you know? Health is everything. It's a girl you want.
A girl, but more when you
girl, me a boy, you too bad.
Oh. Orlando. Go on, sure. Rain is dewing down. Well, I'm here radio.
Yeah, man, put up back there.
Well, go on. Where I say? Good. You say get the radio now. You get light. Long time I see me though. Cool up, man. Yeah, listen to your music.
How are you?
Yeah. Oh, you're okay. You read the breakdown? Oh, for read Orlando?
Yeah.
Oh. Are you ready?
Yeah?
Are you ready? Himself, female breakdown.
Yeah, 3 months sick. Yeah, I want to come like come have a play in the app, but shorts out, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, go on, Charles. Yes, I. So, we get electricity now. Getting light.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I just me for run on the part, connect to them bulb, but I do that as it.
Oh, to the bulb?
Yeah, me for do that.
Okay. So how is everything there? Good?
I have to give that could have worse now. Let's say
Could have worse a bit.
53 one. You know about 80 years old now.
No, I don't reach.
You don't reach.
Still in the 70s.
Still nice 70s. Yeah. I'm still nice
Another
70s.
time I suffer, man. What you know? There.
Yeah, I'm fine.
I hope it's it. When you live in another place, when you live in blind, so the place sense here. I don't sense here again. Sometimes we come in like we're mad. I see truly boy there around here. And take time, take where you sit there. So show me, you can't see. Me know say that me know. The man here, that feeling there sometimes man. Show me can't see.
Yes. Two of them blind glaucoma.
Keep talking now.
Yeah, man, we'll give thanks. Because the way you pass through, because we have a donation, you know.
Yeah, man,
you
give
pass
thanks,
through. It's been a while, Chilla.
Yeah, say that no fool. Fool. No fool, man.
The money, them giving money, so the money buy food.
The work girl.
Eh?
The relative the work girl.
What say?
The relative the work girl.
If you have a relative ever done. Oh, farming.
Farming?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Not on a farm right now.
Somebody can get some come here, man. I care from here.
They want some ground food?
Yeah.
Oh. So you want yam and them thing there?
Yeah, man.
Okay. So ground food, you want to feed all around there.
Yeah.
So guys, so for all the new viewers that you know, this is Charles, the two blind brothers, Charles and Patrick.
Yeah.
And this is the son of Charles, you know, so he's the one that taking care of them, you know, so he always there. So he sacrificed his job so he can stay home and look after them, you know, all around that is, you know, so that's Charles' only son, you know, and Patrick getting a son? Any kids?
No, so right now I mean the home I look after Patrick and Alfonso.
Yeah, so father and uncle you're looking after.
Yeah.
And that's good, you know, because if it wasn't for you, boy,
you know how them manage.
How them manage, you know?
God, sometimes I them catch up in the same situation, you know?
Probably not dad for us and they already. People them not happy, you know. A poor person of people them not happy, you know. But them not happy, you know. They have a dad for us. And when they can't probably look for food for give me. They look for food they're not going to give me. He dead.
Yeah.
And when I'm fret for them more. Some of them must dead quicker.
But enough for now because your son there, you know?
True, man. Why don't you there? I'm probably looking for something coming. I will give me see one. When I see me here, a long time I don't hear him back. I'm about 1 month I hear him back here. Me just say, me just say to the judge. You just say, oh, now here. You say to the judge, Charles, I'm you. You're not left here and go nowhere. You're dead there, so we do. I don't know, can't see me. Anytime I left, me still a come back.
Yeah.
So I want to, youth come turn to me and say, no. So like, food out can come with me.
I'm here to cook here, Charles.
I'll and cook.
Yeah, man. You know, I'm a cook now. Yeah, man.
So, we might have now senile and stage marriage?
Oh, like sometime we mix up the days them. Like him forgetful, yeah, him forgetful, yeah, that type of thing.
Okay. Alright, so I have $10,000 a year for you.
Yeah.
From Cliff. Yeah, from Canada. For the blind brothers them. So that's $10,000 a year from
yeah, my respect from
Cliff. From Canada.
Alfonso, Patrick, respect the $10,000. Cliff from Canada, I received the $10,000.
Yeah. You talk about phone they know. You gotta talk about phone.
No,
but it's a video.
Oh,
so they must see.
They must see the video.
So you can
understand.
So you can tell Cliff thanks.
You see, for me,
you can say thanks for the video.
For me, we don't know anything now.
Oh, now here it is, nothing about video.
Not video. When I'm talk to video to me, come like me an idiot. How many know me talk there? How many never see it yet?
Never see it yet.
You never see it, but you never see it.
You never see it.
Never see it now. Yeah, idiot to it now.
Technology.
Yeah.
That's technology, you know?
Yeah.
So there you go. Alright then, Charles.
Yeah.
I'm going now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Take care, yeah.
Yeah, man, I'll keep you posted.
Yeah, man.
Yeah? Come back.
See you, man.
Yeah, man, I'll come check
give
you.
thanks for the visit.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You know what you remember say, how far with the family, you know, so that little distance.
Town.
Town.
Town, you live, how far you live, man?
Yeah, man, so that little drive to get over here. And then we have to try to beat the traffic coming inside.
This place I get busy, you know.
Yeah, because you know it's back to school and so people active, you know. Yeah, man, Orlando is going to do the right thing, yeah?
Last time.
Alright, then, sit there. Yeah?
Thank you for
Yeah, man. Cliff.
Yeah, man, thank you. Tell him to thank him.
You can tell him thank you, he might hear you.
It says you receive 10,000 and you're thankful.
Thankful for it today?
Yes. Patrick!
Yo,
Where go on? There, man.
thank you. Come back here.
Radio?
Man, here.
Oh, so that one then now work then?
No, huh?
I try all on the one.
I'm sure you say, am I personal?
Yeah. So you want your own?
I feel with
I feel. You want your own radio? Oh, one little one.
Yeah.
Oh. So you want your personal one, right?
I want 4,000.
4,000?
I want that good.
Okay, so
I want that good.
I want to pay for
I
it.
know them rich on it. 5,000 on them money there.
Okay, then. Oh, yeah. A big team of support, man. Manchester United. I mean, Patrick.
You know what cash
You have one jersey.
Yeah,
You know, you have one jersey, you know, Patrick. You know that?
Hey?
Yeah. Man, football club, man. Whoa. Manchester United, man, I support.
Yes, sir, Chelsea.
Big side, they support. Yeah, Patrick. Yeah, man. Real champion side.
Yeah.
Alrighty, so I'm going to try and get a radio for you, okay?
Yeah, man.
I'm going to try and get one for you. No
No,
problem.
I'm there.
Want to read one?
No, I'm there.
Oh, radio, yeah.
You have to listen to you sometimes.
You see that, guy?
I want to face up there.
No, you have to check the barrel. That barrel on your side, see me? You have to check the barrel. A long time when I see that one.
I'm going to see it there.
I've got double check. Alright, then you're Patrick, make a run now. Yeah?
Yeah. Huh?
Yeah, man, take care. Now try get the radio for you.
When you're on tour, back.
Let me check it back. Soon.
Yeah.
Soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you're going to see me soon, okay?
Yeah.
Alright then.
Yeah.
I'm not responsible for connect from us to this arena. I'm two of them. I understand just one string. So I'm
get that.
Yeah, it's plugged in and connected. Yeah,
that means to do.
Yeah. So the greatest thing when them get the light, you know, so just if you can't connect it, to get someone to do it. So you don't have to electrocute yourself.
When before we get the original, me usually was plug and run the two house them.
Yeah. So guys, so you can see now they got light, you know, for everyone that donated towards the light. Yeah. Yeah, right. A JPS light them get. See the pole and everything. There you go, guys. So you see everything is confirmed. They got the lights and everything now. So finally, so it's been a long wait and everything. Alright, then you're Orlando? Yeah, man. Yes, Patrick. Oh. Yeah, man. See the light on. Patrick gets shot way back in the days, you know.
Yeah.
I damage him. See the we seen him fire there, so?
No respect,
Yeah, man. Alright.
I'm shooting up on them long years ago.
Yeah, man. Yes, guys, so I will give thanks. As you can see now, the light is active, you know, they got light now and everything, so we give thanks. So the only thing, Patrick said want a radio, so we'll try to get him a radio as well. We're going to search and see if we got any at the place, yeah, so he can get a radio and thing, you know.
The fridge come with key, I know where key then I make key them.
You meet the key.
Yeah. I want to do, sir.
Help out a situation.
What kind of situation? Come on, you know. Sir, I black the camera one to put on.
Years of passing.
Talk to him on the way, sir.
Yeah, we're going to see what can go on. You know, it's got you with that feature them a good while now.
I spell me, that's the same.
Really, that's so.
Years you pass, I go down every day, man. I've got
How
some.
old again?
Dream Team, we do a charity program, you know.
Oh,
It's nothing big, but we try to help out the situation.
that's good.
So you say the baby want supplement? Oh, no problem. Eh? The change?
You give me a little place one. Come
Where say get change or the change? Alright then, yeah? Yeah, man. Listen, no one help, see how that's the change there. But I realize the place over here, you know, a lot of help is needed.
Yeah.
No, not just one alone, a lot of help needed, you know. So it's only so much we really can do.
Kill me.
I'll even this. I want to cope with all this right here. So. Mosquito killing them. You understand? We know say kind of sticky over here, so you know.
No cut. Then you see another man, so yeah, Vicky.
Aye. Oh.
Not crosses, you know.
I say she have icky, but she not no man.
Them a girl you crosses. That's how I can't threaten them if you say nothing about food, man. Hey! Alright,
Yeah.
You see me last night and you see man and you call him
Yeah, guys, so you know the people them from the community. You know the situation here is not so pretty, you know, on this side as I can see. You know, these houses are like a food for the poor house, you know, like yes. So the people them is literally trying to, you know, make ends meet, but it's not easy. You know, they can see a lot of zinc fence and everything. So sometimes so you know, if we can do a give back over here like some groceries, you know, just walk and give us some groceries. I think we should have that in mind, you know.
Yes, true.
Whenever anyone come down have some groceries to give away, we can come and give out some groceries, you know, knock some doors and give away some groceries. That would be nice, you know. So one day.
Yeah, soldier play.
So what you say now?
Yeah.
You know, fake castrate fit on this. Wait there.
Alright, finish it.
Send that one, pull it. Oh, there, drop it. Ready. Guava. Yes, guys, so it's nice if we can do a drive, you know, get some groceries and come and give out, you know, so, yeah, man.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Well guys, so reach and look at the car. Through the rain, the dust. And now the car can't get for wash because every time it rains. So it rains, so it stops. So here is it. I'm back for. Her name is Cranberry. What a name our mommy give her. Cranberry. Yes. So these are the time when up here is cool, nice. You know, bamboo tree fall down. That's a nice piece of bamboo here. Look like it break. And just look at this. Nice piece of bamboo this. So nice piece of bamboo. See, it seems like you have a lot of bamboo tree this side as well. See another piece here as well too. I know back in the days when we were youths, I know most of you watching. Oh, what's going on here? Like a little stream. Okay. So you have a stream run underneath here. Up here is nice. This is literally in the wilderness. You know, we are literally in the wilderness here. You know, as I was saying about the bamboo, back in the days, we as youth used to go crazy for bamboo. You know, especially when you can get them right through the seasons just to make kites. You know, them time kites was a fashion in Jamaica growing up as a youth. I know most of you have the same experience. You know, but these days the youth them is not really too much into kites. You know, they're more into them tablet and PlayStation, you know, the Nintendos and their mobile phone. You know, because that's what takes away the joy, you know, of this younger generation now in Jamaica. Because outside activity was the thing for we in Jamaica. Making the box truck, you know, using the oars to run the wheel. You used to use the big car tire them and put sticks inside of them and just run them down the road. Used to make skate, you know, with the boards with bearings. Like, those were the fun. And playing marbles, you know, playing dandy shandy with the girls them, hopscotch, skipping, you know. So most of those fun is done outside Jamaica because of what? Modern technology changed everything right now, you know. So we have to find a way to bring it back, or we have to just feed it to the kids them and say, listen, put on the phone, put on the tablet, go outside, go get creative, you know. Get creative. So guys, so here is the bag now for the little girl. Cranberry, you know, and you got books as well inside it and pencils and rubber, you know. So so you can hear the river. There's music playing, so I might
They wanna stop like words down and push the button.
Cranberry. You miss Cranberry. What happened? You're not talking to me, why?
Why you not answer me?
I mean, why I'm not answer? I missed the call.
You need to give me the number. If I never see upon something there, we never get a number.
On YouTube? Yes, that's where you get the number, on YouTube.
Oh, you know that.
That's what you just said. So how more wicked to you, Cranberry?
The wicked to me.
Oh.
You need to say my daughter. The wicked to me, then you need to say my daughter, I'm going to buy some chocolate and let's for you.
Sure.
The wicked to me.
You know I'm not wicked to you. Guys, I'm telling you, she always give me a warm time when I come here, you know. Yeah. You know what I say, I'm wicked to her.
And it's from over.
No, because remember it's pure rain. So if a pure rain.
Rain not fall.
No, but look.
Come over sometime when you see rain not fall.
And then the rain now wash for the bags them for the pool. You know, even though it's still nice to come a river. You know, but the bag wash away. Wash away. So a pure rain I get, don't it? Talk the truth. Exactly. You know?
Every morning we wake up rain.
Every morning we wake up rain. You see? I told you. Your little sister these, right? Sister there. Your mommy here. Evening. Hello.
I wanted to say that.
Yeah. Alright, so these are your kids too?
Yeah, 4 girls.
4 girls, no boys. Alright, come up here.
My auntie have about 10
Huh?
sons.
Who?
My auntie, she have 10 sons.
10 sons?
They show me the continue, but I have more than 4 girls.
Wow. And then look on the pure maroon up here. Oh, so you have the same ear. What have the same ear? You see her red then? So she have the same red ear. She have the same ear as well too. Hello. Hello. So wait there, are you natural red ear that?
Yeah.
It died?
Yeah, I dye it in black. But I normally dye it in black, it's normally red.
So this is your natural one, just like this?
Yeah.
Wow. So you're proper red.
Them to grandma.
Grandma here?
They normally have red here.
Okay. Wow. So that's why you get the both black and red. See there, she get the black and
I have to
red.
dye out Cranberry here. If they go to school, them here have to dye.
Have to dye?
Normally when it dye, it turn back red. Yeah.
But you know, tell them say it's natural the way it is.
They know said, as what the school say, them got to dye it back.
In a black?
Yeah, because them think we dye it out in a red itself. But I tell them no, are them natural color.
Oh. But them, so them for them see your ear, them should know that it's natural. And so that means Cranberry ear if I got dye back over? No. So even when it died, still red Cranberry.
So I'm going to go back in the river in my ear.
And flower one red. But that's gift, you know, that's what black people produce.
You know why my mother was like
Why? And for see you one red like that, cause even me that thing say you died.
You know, so normally die out in a black. Look compare it.
You know, it's black.
I will compare you.
It's black. My friend bought it for me. But my
You can't
black.
get somebody to my own too. May I plait it up? I'm my auntie.
I'll plait it up. Right.
You can buy some chocolate for myself.
Can I buy some chocolate for sale? Alright then, I make you buy some chocolate for sale.
You say me an artist?
Yeah, artist?
Yeah.
Come walk a little bit out of the music. Like a boomer. I play music. Hopefully it will get catchy nice.
I'm a TikTok page.
Oh, you have a TikTok page?
I normally perform for them, you know.
Yeah.
A studio.
You have a studio?
But I don't really go to them. But normally if them have, I have to say thanks. And me I say, them normally have stage show, and I normally go on it. The last time they have a stage show, I'm supposed to have it from Instagram. Kenisha Stewart 9, number 9.
Kenisha Stewart number 9?
Yeah. I have some songs, but if I song from TikTok, I normally post them.
Oh. I wonder if boomer music will affect me, because I can't hear it clear.
Yeah.
I hope it's not going to affect me. You can see it. Alright then, mommy. So come in, mommy, stand up back. Alright guys, so I'm gonna have to get the music turned on a bit, so hopefully Irene not give me no copyright, because I know Irene song that is well, you know the thing goes already. So you sing?
Yeah. I'm an artist. I normally perform around here. I'm on river. Them always have a stage show down, so but just to the youth, they have twins. Same. Yeah. But I try to keep one like round a river.
Oh.
But people normally come on Sunday.
Yeah.
Mama sang them, I put them up on TikTok. Like I put a beat,
yeah.
I beat them up on TikTok.
Yeah. So give me a song now. What kind of song you have? What kind of song you sing like?
I sing love song. I'm a can DJ.
Can DJ?
Yeah. Mama get a love song. If you say you're gonna stay, so why you leave me here? Standing in the highlights of people saying things. I don't want you to go. I don't want you to leave. And I don't want you to go. So call my phone and don't you leave.
Okay. She got the Mama River voice. You know, so
paper.
Yeah, she grew up on the river, so she got that melody going, flowing like the river, right? And you're DJ as well now.
Yeah.
I mean a piece of the DJ, you know.
Mr. Free Vibes got it. Mr. Free Vibes got it. Right now him don't want to stay a yard, but me tell you say, free the man. Nobody say nobody God. Feed the man. Tell yourself for free the Dan. Free Vibes got it. That's on my TikTok.
Yeah. So I guess for me hear that song is Vibes Cartel is our artist, right? Cranberry, you can't watch your face. Miss Cranberry, you can sing too? You're an artist. Alright, so here guys, I got our Cranberry bag here. You know, got books inside it as well too.
Oh, yeah.
You know. So this is your bag here from Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry. Here, so don't get shy on me because you're not shy. Because you're feisty. So you come up here, appear, talk, you give everybody. So this is your time for talk. No.
We have to say thank you.
So come on, so ready now. So you're gonna stand, say Beyond the Wall.
Behind the wall, you have to say it.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Beyond the Wall.
Behind the wall.
Covenant.
Covenant.
Ministry.
Ministry.
For this.
For the bag.
Here you go. So you can say for thank you so much. Go on.
For thank you very much.
Why is she acting so shy? I mean, remember exactly why acting so shy.
It's fancy cat.
And everybody don't see her already on the camera and know say you this little girl.
Thank you very much.
Cause everyone know when them see them say this little girl mouth. I tell you, I know you're trying to act shy.
You on TikTok. Attack.
You see me on TikTok attack. So where you are up on?
She go for your wedding, babe.
On the YouTube page. And I scout me out.
Some mother get a number, feel like I'm going to say
from YouTube. Alright then, so me have $4,000 a year for Cranberry from Miss Trench. You know? Yes, her name is Miss Trench. $4,000 a year for you. You know, so you say you want to buy your things to sell, right? You like the sweet and everything, do back your hustles, right? So here's $4,000 a year for you.
And you want to Miss Trench, thank you so much.
Come and stop act shy.
Stop act shy.
Everybody know you're not shy.
Very much.
Looking at the camera, Cranberry. In here, hold the camera, because normally you hold the camera and talk.
Thank you, Miss Chin, very much.
Here. So count it and see if it's 4,000. Look and see if it's 4,000.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
We have to say thank you so much.
There you go. There you go. Back to school.
And when you come back, you stop coming here.
I'm not stop come.
Stop through the river.
Through the river.
Come down.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, come down here.
Through the river, come down.
Sunday. You can't call me Sunday when you come down here.
Yeah, if I'm coming, I'll call you. No, not Sunday, I have a football match.
Bring some food for me.
So you have so much talk now. Pure talk you have now.
I juice me one right now for drink.
Yeah, so you have money there now.
I wouldn't jam one friend.
Oh, well, that's good.
Tyrone I go and change, you know. Yeah, Tyrone change.
It better go change it. Alright then, mommy.
Alright.
Take
care.
Fair park out there some. So I'm gonna check Boma.
Alright. Danton.
Look ones. I like them ears, man. Natural. Big us.
Bye, daddy.
Look at the camera.
Bye, daddy.
How much father you have? 4. Damn. So me had the fourth one, the first one, the second one, and the third one. I have 4.
You know, so our father died.
Our father died?
Yeah, but the other 3 them is for one dad.
Oh.
Yeah, our father did.
Oh, I never know. I'm thinking the man was our father.
No, the 3 girls them.
Yeah, that's it.
Their father.
Okay.
Yeah.
Never know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bring him somewhere, go kill him.
In friend and bring him somewhere.
Stab him up and feed them body and send it to the family.
Eh?
Yeah. Them time that she was about 5. About 5 years old.
When she was 5.
Yeah.
How old are you now, Cranberry? 11.
11.
And him friend and bring him go somewhere and stab him up.
And kill him and send him video.
Wow.
But you know him did smart. He call him grandmother.
Oh.
The grandmother was on the phone the whole time when they stab him up. But the first one he must stay on him.
That's so sad.
But him gonna jail and kill somebody else and feel like him could have get away with it.
I'm gonna
so
jail.
they video him and send it off.
Oh. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. That's why Cranberry said, Daddy. Okay. Sorry to hear that. You're crying? Yeah. You're crying? What you say? What you get in the bag? You get books, pencils, rubber. Hey. Cran. Maroon. Original maroon.
Every time when I go, I beg your phone, you tell me say I
Phone? You're not ready for no phone yet. You're not ready for no phone yet.
Play with the banger until
Yeah, mama said play with the banger.
Yeah, take what this from you.
You want to take away everything where mama have. What make her have?
Give me this. Give me this. I worry about things, yeah. You must have things over here.
You want to take away everything? She have foreign. She live in England. So you want my daughter up next one.
Let me see her.
Let me see her on my phone. She big. I will show you one picture with her.
You say if I know sometimes I tell the truth.
I know sometimes I always tell the truth.
I always tell the truth. I know set you free.
Yes.
And sometimes when I tell a lie, nobody not believe.
Yes.
Nobody not believe. If you tell one lie, they not believe it.
Yeah, so that's why I always make sure I tell the truth. You know?
I'm mad. I think I let my mother tell the story going, you know, she tell me say I come. So I just call her back and ask where you there. So she say, you know, come.
So you never think me I come?
No, I don't even know if you come today.
Of course. Because you know say when you start back school? Monday. So that's why I do want to make sure so I come before.
I don't say, look, the 3 of them got the same school now. I'm going to think the baby shall go on different school from them.
Okay.
Them normally walk.
Yeah.
They normally walk go to school and walk come back.
Okay.
So sometimes if my nana knows when I normally cook and put things in them bag.
Yeah,
and make them
go.
bring it. And free juice and just make them bring it go to school.
Okay.
Yeah.
So my daughter here.
Roti. Mommy, look here. Look here. Yes, you feel fine. This look like a daughter, this look like a woman. Look for her, go that this is
a big girl.
This
is when she come Jamaica.
This is
I'm a daughter when she come Jamaica.
Come over there, come stay there for a week.
Oh, yeah, mash up the whole place.
Every day I wake up. Daddy, I want food.
I'll show you my little son too.
I'll be a daughter and son you must have over there. God knows.
No, England them live.
Come
yeah, them live in England.
Come to me and go up there.
What's wrong with you now?
Go up to the Wi-Fi. But you can't go up down here. You know that service me to buy and put on my one.
That you must do.
You know how much it?
See, my daughter is a runner and look, she win medals.
I have it too.
You have it too?
Yes. Medals.
Yeah.
And them come first.
Yeah. So now runner?
Yeah. That everybody come down.
Yeah.
You know, me do when the river come down, we take tap road sometimes. I walk.
So the river come and you can't walk right here, so?
No, me have to walk tap road or mom road or sometimes. And that my friend then doing that. My mother said we have a friend then can walk.
3 there.
Yeah, normally come down. Especially when the rain fall, the whole land side.
Oh.
Then I'm a lunch kid.
Alright then, Cranberry. Take care, okay? And be at the stairs.
Safe journey to you.
And do good in school.
Yeah.
Okay? Bye.
Bye too.
Alright then, your mommy.
Safe
Take
journey.
care, yeah?
Have a safe journey.
Yeah, man.
And wait, make sure you reach home. When you reach home, you want to call me.
Alright then.
If you don't call me, I'm a ball, you know.
Yeah, good.
If you like, I like. And thanks for money, I will make sure you have a safe journey. When I reach home, I will call you.
Alright then.
When I reach home, just call me.
Yeah. A check boomer. You know, we can't come and check boomer, guys. So. Ooh, Sacramento. Beautiful river. Guys, this is what it's like here in the night. You know, beautiful. Beautiful. Ah. Oh, in the kitchen. If you want, no one want to shoot up on the video, man.
Then do you do no peanut?
You want to turn it down like I'm closer now.
Alright. Hold it for them.
Yeah. Oh.
I some sit now do you know.
Sip. Sit there. So we come the right time.
Yeah man, right time.
So I always come catch me in the kitchen. Now I come catch you in the kitchen.
Sit down on a joke thing here. I farm go yesterday and some carry some farm products yesterday, but
yeah. They bring us some ground food.
yeah, but you, some customer they require them still. This a piece of
White yam.
white yam.
From your farm.
Yes man.
Oh.
Yes man.
It's a Bama production.
Yeah man.
Healthy.
Yeah man.
So this is a drop in the pot. We have a fish head.
I mean, have a fish head. I carry down some carrot too, some okra too.
See them.
All of them are out of the bush.
Out of the bush.
I'm going to skeleton time now, I buy. But everything else out of the bush and the flour and the fish head, I buy for.
Yeah.
Strengthen my soap, said we.
True,
You know, man. Because we have to strengthen ourselves in our Gideon as well, we always are doing.
Yeah,
we
yeah,
don't
yeah.
kitchen, you know.
No.
The greatest thing, we make sure we can feed ourselves and we know what feed good.
True.
We don't have to have no woman on our side for.
Can't help yourself.
Sometimes she not have the strength to do it. So we do it with her too and say, man, that's how we strengthen it too, man.
Yeah, man.
Always strengthen, it's a share the love, do it.
Alright then, so.
Yeah, man, and Kino
Vice
Blaze, you know.
versa. Good,
From
man.
Kino Blaze live, I tell the people I love them, I don't like. We
Yeah,
don't see me
man.
on the road half of the warrior thing.
Alright.
We join the Mom River Hidden Paradise, page 2, you know.
Yes.
Mom River Hidden Paradise, and we don't space nothing. See?
Mommy River.
But sometimes when we go up on the live, when you can see what I go on the River Nile, you know what I mean?
See you, man.
Yeah.
So people see in the street and recognize you.
So
and
I
say,
not tell you, man, Kino Blaze, man. Kino Blaze, I say, yo, Rastafari, strength of love.
Yes, sir.
The voice powerful.
Full of
But I live it and I just voice it alone. I live it, man.
Live it.
Yeah, I live
Because
it.
some only have the speech, but them not have the action.
And I two differentiation of
Two
meaning that.
different
You have
Isn't
to have
it?
voice where you live, man. You know voice where you don't live. Man.
Yes, man. The action
Yeah.
of your work, you know.
Yeah, man. People, the youth, them are the future supposed to can grow and to say. No say the warrior they run a river. It's a warrior live for Rastafari. Cause them are the judge, you know, like court or something, you know.
Yeah.
See, them are the judge, you know, Rastafari different from a one when I say Rastafari. We're not on a competition, you know, but Rastafari is a way of life and I really put on locks and talk a whole lot of something.
Yeah.
It's a way of life, it's not a religious something.
Yeah, it's a way of
It's a way of
life.
life, so there and then now you just live the way of Rastafari, which is equality dealing with one another.
And love.
Just like how, as I tell you from beginning from Kino Life said, whatsoever we have, just like how we get them things out of Mother Earth.
Yeah.
It no cost no more than my strength, and it strength my back to do the work. Yeah.
Same way.
So wait costs we are killing.
And that's the way of life. Yeah.
And hold for money now. I just show you forward when the product them out still, cause I want to get. But the forward they come some nice pine as usual.
Yeah, like the one I'm
green
get the other
banana,
day.
me have a green banana plant and hold for something go reap it today. I'm get an order.
Okay.
When I call me first day,
Yes.
in a bush, just I'm tell you something like hilltop.
Yeah, and you tell me say it rain as well.
Yeah.
And it's raining at the same time.
I have some. I could have given some of them video there. When I come, do some video. When I say I put for my thing up in the mountain top, you know.
Okay.
I tell you want to give a shout out to you.
Yeah, of course. Definitely want them there.
When them can see back. Kingston Airport, everywhere in a Kingston.
Everywhere. Let me see now.
Clanton Springs, name anywhere.
Yeah.
That's why I'm telling you, so to follow the Marm River in Paradise page too. It's just be off of Kino.
Yes,
Kino
yes.
said we.
Yeah,
man.
But definitely if you come check it out, let me see now. Other week, when you go back up there again?
Well, you could have planned a day and we just work with you know.
Yeah.
You know, say, we don't really work by the time, it's the moment.
Yes.
We don't have to work by the time because
it's the moment.
we do what we do, you know. So you can say, alright, Rasta. Such time, you know, we make a move, you know. I will carry the people on my mountain top now with them say live. And you have to tell them about the atmosphere, the different from every atmosphere where you're going on the country. Call it a mountain top.
Mountain top.
You get the best. And this is the king dwell, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, the king, the almighty dwell at the mountain top and tell you, look to the hills. Now the hills and at the higher hills mountain we try and go first.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that means I'm definitely going to pick a day.
Yeah.
The week early.
The team too, come on the team, the far right team, them
forward.
I want to wear them forward, man, cause
yes.
I do all our place up there too.
Of course. So I pick a day, like the week early. Try and see if we can pick one day in the week.
Yeah.
And make you know how the shot go there.
Alpha rain or shine, man, because we work with the Almighty, you know. Anything we give right, we are taking.
Yes.
And not do more than we can bear.
No, because we can bear it.
So if we have, so if we have a mountain and rain even fall, a blessing.
Yes.
Because you're welcome, I'm tell you, you're welcome in the mountain top, because you're clean and you got some connect with you.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm connect with you, man.
Yeah, man. Cranberry, I come drop off one bag to you, know.
You know, with a love, man.
Yes, man, love, man. Yeah, you appear daddy Chicago.
I represent a father figure now, you know.
But me just a find out, just a find out, say our father, the pass away. Literally just know, never know.
Yeah.
All the time I think say the man up there, but me always think our father. Just a find out.
Father role, man.
Yes.
Father, man.
Pass out, you know.
And when me said to you know, never step you to you know, I'm a guide like that. I'm from my 6-year-old.
Yeah.
21 the 5th.
Okay.
I'm not use step, I just want get it straight.
So I understand.
Come from a vein.
Yes.
But everything we do for you. College in the now.
See there.
Live for them.
Yes, man. See them, man. I love, man.
I
love, man. If not,
the Almighty is telling you to do that.
Yes.
It
Right,
don't cost you nothing, man. It don't cost you nothing, man. To share. That's how we work. That's how we live by a moment. We have a Bob Marley. We have all historical ancestors. And why them representing in this 20th century. After them work, people. That's how we come together here.
Yes, true.
You know, so we first and fight over. If you have enough, you can share, you know. You don't need to spoil in your fridge and spoil in your house. There are people here want it.
To share.
And you see them enough time to when you pass them, like you don't recognize them, you need to find them.
Yes.
Deal with them, man. Carry out some of my thing them to and share.
Of course.
Father bless you more.
Once you share.
will never empty the house, they will never empty your blessing.
Yes.
It's not about the money or whatever in there. Your blessing, you want in your place. The temple where you're head.
True.
Yeah, man.
Righteousness, man. Righteous speaking, guys. I know that is Boomer. And guys, remember, follow him on him Instagram page. You know, Mama River. So don't miss out anything. Mama River, you know.
Eden Paradise.
Yeah. So just follow him as well too, man. And come whenever you're here in Jamaica, come and check out Mama River.
Definitely.
Even though the river come down and get kind of wash away the bags them. So the pool them kind of get dismantled right now.
Follow the page and you see what really happening on the river.
Yes.
Day to day and whatsoever they never see before. You can see how the pools look.
Before,
exactly.
Before
you can
the river.
see some storm when everything up on the page. But we did this day and night.
Yeah.
So you see everything what the activation or activity them want to happen. Yeah, man.
Full of man, a vibration, man. Yeah, man.
Make them go see how the big pool look right now. So
yeah, man. Yeah. Vibration, guy. Guys, as you can see, man, the river come down, you know, so the bag them kind of get washed away, but you know, so it's up and running same way. There's a mini pool there. The bag also washed away from there as well too. So you see the man I go hold him fresh.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.